Hello, digital learners. Welcome back to our channel Learning Digitally. Today, we are unpacking the recent developments from the G7 summit in Hiroshima, Japan on May 20, 2023, where world leaders discussed the urgent need for international standards on artificial intelligence. This is a critical topic that affects us all as we navigate the rapidly evolving digital landscape. Friends, at the G7 summit, leaders of the world's largest economies made a resounding call for international standards to regulate the rapid advancements in artificial intelligence. They emphasized the priority of this push but fell short of concrete conclusions on how to handle this emerging technology. Dear digital learners, the use of artificial intelligence, including chatbots, ChatGPT, and self driving cars, has become increasingly prevalent. Policymakers and business leaders worldwide are grappling with how to support innovation while also implementing guardrails to mitigate potential harm. This includes addressing privacy attacks, civil rights violations, disinformation, and unethical data use. Despite the rapid growth of AI and immersive technologies like metaverses, the G7 leaders acknowledged that international rules governing their use have not kept pace. They highlighted the need to balance the opportunities presented by new technologies with the challenges, emphasizing governance aligned with the democratic values. Friends, in their joint statement, leaders called attention to generative AI, the production of text, images, and other content resembling human created work. The popularity of ChatGPT raised concerns about its ability to create human like responses and self train to improve accuracy. Among dependent polarization and misinformation worldwide, experts caution that generative AI may impair political deviance. So, the difficulty in discerning trustworthy information from machine generated content poses a significant change. The G7 leaders stressed the immediate need to assess the opportunities and challenges of generative AI. They also called for technical standards to develop trustworthy AI, recognizing that approaches may vary across G7 members. Discussion at the summit revealed diverse approaches among countries in handling AI advancements. The European Union is actively debating AI legislation, while the US government is developing a framework balancing risks and opportunities. So, a notable outcome of the summit is the establishment of the Hiroshima AI process. G7 leaders directed their country's top officials to collaborate on this initiative, focusing on generative AI. They aim to report back with the recommendations by the end of 2023, showcasing commitment to shaping international norms and standards. So, friends, world leaders at the Group of Seven means G7 summit in Japan called for development of international standards to limit the potential damage from rapid innovations in artificial intelligence. They wrote that AI's challenges must be evaluated alongside its advantages, while new technologies should be regulated in harmony with democratic values like fairness, accountability, transparency, protection from online abuse, and respect for privacy and human rights. The G7 leaders cited in particular generative AI is some experts warn that technology may worsen polarization through machine generated content and make it difficult for people to assess the authenticity of information. The leaders also urged the creation of technical standards for the development of trustworthy AI, noting G7 members may have different strategies and policy tools for realizing this goal. So, dear friends, stay tuned for more updates on learning digitally. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell icon for the latest insights into the digital world. Keep learning, keep growing. Stay blessed. Take care.